Okay, here we are, 2 days after the blizzard. We're now shoveling off the deck to the south so that when it all melts, it doesn't end up in the basement. And you can see how deep it is.
Has to be at least 4 foot of snow here.
Yes, this was probably our largest drift. We dug away from alongside of the house, but now we're working on the deck itself.
Now we had at least a 4 foot drift over there. There it's still up against the house. That's up at least 3 feet because that's even lower than the deck.
Right, that goes all the way to the ground. But it's a whopping 28 degrees, the sun is shining, and while it's this warm out, we're out here shoveling.
Getting ready to plant WisconsinGarden.net. For those of you who've never seen snow, here's a lot of it. You're welcome to bring your shovels and come on aboard. Got plenty for everybody.
It's very white, and I'm guessing this would be good skiing snow, although we've never gone skiing. But it's powdery. It's not sticky at all.
Make good igloo blocks.
Yes, but bad snowmen.
Yeah, it wouldn't hold together. Like for all those people who pay to get exercise at the gym, they need to live in Wisconsin.
There you go.
We're not wimps.
Okay, I have to stop now so I can help.